Assalamualaikum, dear learners, how are you? I'm sure that you all are hale and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also fine by His grace. Okay, I'm Mohammed Islam once again with another class. Today my class is for the students of 8 and my topic is prefix and suffixes. Okay, but this class is also important for the students of class 9 and 10. So dear students, today I will discuss about prefix and suffixes and what will be the outcomes from this lesson. Okay, look at the board please. Here, what is the learning outcomes? If you look at the board please, from this class you will be able to know and understand suffixes, prefixes, use definition and functions. You will be also able to know and understand about parts of speech, its definition, kinds and functions. So okay, today as our topic is suffix and prefixes, so look at the board. I will discuss about the topics. Okay, see here, this is prefix. And at first I have given the definition of prefixes, a group of word letters that's added to the beginning of a word. That is, you will get some words or letters which is added at the beginning of a word. So here is some examples for your better understanding. So here is prefix, this is meaning of that very prefix, and here is an example. Okay, so I will take some example. Here the letter E and M, and whenever you will see the example you will get a meaning which is cause to. Okay, here emphasis is the word, and here EM is the prefix because these very two letters sit at the beginning of this very word emphasis. Here is over, the word over. So over, the meaning is also over. So here overlook. Okay, so here this very word overlook and over is the prefix. Okay. In example number 3, you see here the word under. Okay. Under meaning also under. And here I will take an example. Understand. So understand is the word and the letter under is the prefix. In example number 4, you see here I write semi. So the word semi and its meaning is half. So here look at the example. Semi final. Okay, if you look again, so I have given the definition of prefix, and I also I also take some example for a better understand from prefix. Okay, now I take the definition of suffix and some example. Look at the board again. Now I have given the definition of suffix. Okay, so here I have written a suffix is an affix that's added to the end of a word. So if you look at the example, you will be more clear. Okay, here, look at the board please. Here, suffix, here is the meaning, and here I will write some example so that you can understand well. Okay, so here I have used ands, and these very letters will sit at the end of the example. Okay, here is and, here is less. Here is word, so ends, and this is the meaning and action or state. So what will be the example? So here is the example, importance. So here the full word is importance, but here the suffix is ans. Okay? And these very letters ans has made the word a suffix one. Here in the second example, you look, here I have written ant, and it's meaning a person. So this is what will be the example. Okay, look. So I have written assistant. So here is the ant. So assistant indicates a person. So here the letter ant or ant is the suffix. In example 3, you see here I have written less, which means without. So the example will be careless. So here is the word careless, but here less is the suffix. Okay? And it's a negative word. In example number 4, here I have written word, which meaning shows direction. So the example will be forward. So here word is the suffix and its meaning shows direction. Okay? Students, look at the board please. If you want to know prefixes and suffixes well, you have to understand, you have to know the parts of speech, because this is very related with prefixes and suffixes. So look at the boards. I have taken the definition of parts of speech here. You look please. Parts of speech is a class of words based on the word's function, the way it works in a sentence. Okay? So please you look at the board please to understand the definition. Okay. Now I will write its kinds. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech, so I will write the name of them. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, adjective. Number 4, verb. Number 5, adverb. Number 6, preposition. Number 7, conjunction. And the last one is interjection. So here look at the board please. Here is 8 parts of speech, but in terms of prefixes and suffixes, I will work only within very 4 parts of speech. So here look at the board. Here noun, adjective, verb and adverb. So look at the board please. I have selected 4 types of parts of speech only because these very 4 types, noun, adjective, verb and adverb, is related with prefixes and suffixes, and the other 4 kinds will not work to complete a prefix and suffixes. Look at the board please. Now I will discuss about the parts of speech. You already know that I have taken only 4 parts of speech here. One is noun, the other is adjective, the third one is verb, and the fourth one is adverb. So generally we know that the noun is the name of anything, but in terms of prefix and suffixes, it's totally different from that very definition. Okay, look at the board please. Here, whenever you will get TIUN, SIUN, MENT, NES, edge, TY, GY, etc., then it will be the noun in terms of prefix and suffixes. Okay, for you better understand, I will take some example with this very word. Okay, here TIUN, so we can write constitution. So here is the word constitution, and TIUN is the noun here. Here SIN, so I will take the example vision. So the word vision, here SION is the noun and SION make it a noun. Here MENT, so I will take the example noun. So here development. So here meant, whenever I have used MENT at the end of this word, it becomes a noun. Here ness, carefulness. So I have written the word carefulness, but here ness makes the word noun. In this example, you look, I have write edge. So here the noun will be knowledge. So EDG makes it a noun. Here TY. So here equity is the word, and these two letter TY make it a noun. Here GY, so I will make it a noun. Technology. So here GY makes it a noun one. Okay? You just see and try to understand. In second part, here is adjective. It also different from the definition of adjective. Whenever you will get full, less, tive, able, ed, etc. at the end of any word, that it will become an adjective. So I will make it adjective with example. So here is full. I have written careful. So careful is the word, and this very full make it a suffix. I make it an adjective. Here less. So I will write careless. So careless is the word, and less makes it an adjective. It's also a suffix. It's also part of adjective, and it also a suffix because LESS has a sit at the end of the word. So whenever any letters will sit at the end of the word, it will become a suffix. Here is TIVE. Okay, so here the word is active, and this TIVE make it active. Here I have written ABLE. So here I will write unable. So here able is an adjective. Here ed, so I will make it an adjective, developed. So the word is developed, and the letter ed make it an adjective. Okay, look at the board please and try to understand. Okay, dear students, look at the board please. Now I will discuss about what is verb. It's totally different in terms of prefix and suffixes. Here, look at the board, please. Here, whenever you will get EM, BE, EN, FY, NISE, etc. at the beginning or at the end of a word, this is called verb. Okay, I will take some example. Look at the board, please. Here, EM. So here the word is emphasize, and I have used here EM, and this very EM makes the word a verb. Here V. So here the main word is little, but I have used B at the beginning of this very word, so it has become a verb, belittle, to make someone little. Here EN. So here is the word is enable, and this EN make it a verb. Here FY is two letters, and here I will take an example to make it a verb. Here beauty is the word, and the word FY has added at the end of this word and make it a verb. So here verb is the beautify. Here I have written nice, N-I-S-E, nice. So I will make it a verb. So here organize. So here nice has made the word a verb. Okay, are you clear? Okay, here the fourth one is adverb. So whenever you will add ly at the end of a verb or adjective, it will become an adverb. Okay, here I will take some example for you better understand. So here is nice. So I will add ly, nicely, it become adverb. So here is smart. So you add ly, this is adverb, smartly. Here quick is the word and I have added ly at the end of this word and it has make adverb quickly. Okay, now I will take some example and you will make it what it is. Is it prefix or suffixes, or is it noun or verb or adverb or adjective? Okay, I will take a single word and will make it the other three. That is, if I take a word from noun and you will make it the other three, that is verb, adverb and adjective. Okay, here I have written happy. So this is the head word and it's an adjective. So we know that prefix and suffix deals with the four types of pairs of speech. So here I have taken example from adjective and you have to find out the other three one. So I will make it a noun. So here ness, and this very ness has make it a noun. Now I will make it verb. Here I have add be at the end of the word happy. So be has make it a verb. So here is adjective and this is noun and this is verb. So we need adverb. So here is the word happily. So here you see that ly is at the end of the word happily. So this is an adverb. In terms of pairs of speech, it is adverb, it is verb, it is noun and it is adjective. But whenever you will find prefix and suffixes, so here it is suffix, this is prefix and this is adverb. Okay, so I will take another example for you better understand. Okay, look at the board please. So here I have written beauty. So beauty is a noun. So I will make the third, another three one. So I will make it verb, that is beautify. So here fy has made it a verb, and it is also an example of suffix. Now I will make it adjective. So here beautiful. So here the letter ful has made it an adjective, and at the same time it is also an example of suffix. So noun, verb, adjective. So now we will find out the adverb. So here beauty fully. So here fully has make it an adverb. So dear learners, today our class ends here. I think you can understand, and if you want to become more clear, and if you want to get more knowledge about prefix and suffixes, you have to practice at home. So we are still going through the pandemic, so you have to take care of yourself. You will stay at home and try to continue your study at home. Okay, see you again. Allah Hafiz.